Group counseling interventions. In group counseling, various techniques, skills, or styles help you create a supportive and enriching environment. Section by section, we're going to explore the intentions and some specific actions within that. Keep in mind that the impacts you make may not align with your intentions, so remember to remain humble and do your best to understand the context that every member lives within. Routinely consider how race, ethnicity, culture, gender, sexual orientation, religion, disabilities, income level, trauma history, geographic location, and family dynamics inform your decisions. If you're unsure about how to implement any of these interventions, ask your supervisor prior to using them. And remember, as long as you can clinically justify your actions, then you are likely reducing the risk of causing harm. Know why you're doing what you're doing and the effect you're hoping to achieve. Section 1, establishing connection. Interventions will include active listening. Counselors listen attentively, making group members feel valued. 2, use of eyes. The use of eye contact conveys empathy and support, strengthening that connection. 3, use of voice. Voice modulation communicates empathy and understanding, which reinforces that connection. Section 2, creating a safe environment. Interventions will include things like tone setting. Setting a welcoming tone at the beginning establishes a safe space. Modeling and self-disclosure. Counselors model vulnerability through self-disclosure, encouraging openness. Remember that self-disclosure is only when you know that the client will benefit and it's used as a last resort. Rely on and develop other tools first. Number 6, humor. Appropriately placed humor lightens the mood, reducing tension within the group. But be mindful of appropriateness and your own insecurities. Section 3, enhancing communication. Interventions will include things like clarifying and questioning. These techniques help members articulate thoughts and feelings clearly. Number 8, summarizing. Summarizing discussions, they ensure everyone is on the same page. Number 9, linking. Connecting individual experiences to the group context fosters a shared journey. That experience can be healing. Section 4, addressing conflict and challenges. Interventions will include things like stopping the conversation. You want to intervene when necessary, so that way you stop unproductive or harmful conversations. Number 11, healthy confrontation. Conflicts constructively resolve issues within the group. Providing support. Interventions are going to include encouraging and supporting, such as offering encouragement and motivation, which is central to group counseling. Number 13, mini lecturing and information giving. You want to be able to provide informative guidance, which imparts valuable insights. Number 14, identifying allies. You want to be able to recognize members who offer support and empathy, which will strengthen the group. Section 6, enhancing self-awareness. Interventions are going to include multicultural understanding, such as asking questions and conducting research which respects diverse cultural backgrounds. Because it's not your client's job to educate you about an entire race, ethnicity, or culture, but you can invite them to share their experiences related to race, ethnicity, and culture. Number 16, bringing the group into the here and now. Using mindfulness exercises enhances self-awareness in the present moment. Section 7, analyzing and interpreting. Interventions are going to include things like interpreting and processing. So counselors will help members connect, offer insights, and provide a fresh perspective. Number 18, attributing meaning. Ascribing meaning to experiences helps members feel value in their challenges. Number 19, analyzing individual and group behaviors. Identifying behavior patterns within the group contributes to the therapeutic process. Number 20, extracting information. Extracting important details from member stories deepens understanding. And so, in conclusion, these behaviors and techniques used by skilled counselors make group counseling a dynamic and effective process. They embolden individuals on their personal journeys, which fosters growth and healing within that supportive and empathetic community. Your job is to know them, practice them, and then routinely implement them so you can discover the nuances and benefits of each. Knowing is not enough. It's the practical application that matters most. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.